Today I'm going to replace the PCV valve. It's right there. And I have the OEM. I'm not buying the generic from AutoZone. That's the part number. And that's what the valve is. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Get one of the pliers, pretty easy. Remove the clip. Well, before that, I haven't replaced it since I bought the car 10 years ago. So it's time to replace it. Someone said you can clamp the hose, and if you hear a click, it's fine. If you don't hear a click, you have to replace it. Since the hose are like hard rock, I don't want to damage it. So just replace it. Doesn't cost that much. So loosen the clamp. Remove the tube. See a lot of oil come out already. See that? You see a lot of oil there. There you go. 17 mm deep socket. Pretty easy to loosen it. Things like oil clock out. Look at that. And there's a ring here. Make sure you replace the ring. Clean up. The new washer. The new Honda one. Put in the new washer. Okay, I look up the book. It says 33 foot-pound of torque. So you can see it, 33 foot-pound of torque. So tighten it. Put this thing back. Start the car, see what happens. Everything looks good. Alright, thanks for watching.